That's what I'm staying tonight, guys. Premiering Canary Wharf. So now you've got the checking in things here, guys. Right, I've just booked in, guys. So yeah, I'm on the 8th floor. I agree with that. 100%. Good night's sleep. I agree with that. Right, I'll just quickly put my bag down there. You've got the usual light by your bed right there. You've got a nice little chair right there. Another one right there. So that's nice. You've got your, as I say, you've got your lights there and there. You've got your usual light artwork that you have by on the walls. You've got the view out the window is off Canary Wharf. So yep, that's not too bad, is it? You've got your TV right here. Now I'll just turn it on so you can see it working. Power on. It should go green. It's on. Yes, that works. As Walk Me Tim would say, branding on point. So that works. You've got your lights by your on your desk right there, one little light, that works nicely. That's fine. You've got your usual tea and coffee making facilities right there. You've got me in the mirror. Please like, share and subscribe. That would be great. And in the mirror you can see that lovely ambient light that you get in premierings. You've got a little table by the bed. There's like a stool. You've got obviously that's been scratched. That's nothing to affect the room, but I will point that out anyway. So that's okay. Just need a bit of paint. You have got your USB charging point there, and you've got the same on the other side right here. So you've got another one on that side there. That's pretty good. You've got your lights by the bed as well as the ambient light going right like that. That is a nice addition. That's pretty good. I like that. You've got your mirror. Please like, share and subscribe. That I appreciate that. Thank you very much. You've got 5 coat hangers right there. I'll just so you've got 5 there, as you can see. In here you've got a shower, actually a rainfall shower. That's pretty good. You've got your sink there. You've got a toilet seat there. So yeah, you've got all that, guys. You've got your towels right there. Your toilet, is it clean tonight? We'll just check that. It is. I wouldn't expect less from premiering. All this is, we've got another towel there. All this is I would expect from premiering. Nice and polished. Right there. I'll just show you that. That's all nice and probably you can see that anyway. So you've got your toilet rolls there, or your thing for wiping your backside, you know, square tissue paper I call it. And back to the bed again. So yeah, this is a Premier Inn, Canary Wharf. You've got your air conditioning right here. I'll just get that to go down. Right, that's that sorted. So now you've got your you got the fan on there. That's on. It's kind of warm in here. You've got your coat hangers there too, guys. So coat hangers there. So that's all pretty good, guys. See you in the next part. Oh, and you've got your hairdryer. Yep, that works. So see you next part, guys. Let's have a test that. Right, guys. Yeah, it's quite a nice room. I mean, you wouldn't expect no less from Premier Inn, would you, really, to be honest? Yes, I'm doing a couple of these because, well, it's ones I like doing. I haven't really found much wrong with them. Nothing at all. Nice and clean, spotless, like you would expect. Yeah, there's a mark on the wall, but I'm not worried about that. But you can never go wrong with Premier Inn. Oh, just in case you're wondering, am I going to do the bed test? Of course I'm going to do the bed test. Yep, nice and comfortable like you would expect. As always, guys, the rooms at Premier Inn are always good. So let's give it a pan round there. So yeah, I'm impressed with what I got here, guys, for £41. Yes, granted I did book this on a Sunday night. Usually that's the cheapest night of the week, but sometimes it might not be the case. Guys, I'm going to go outside and do a bit of filming outside and get a drink from the shop across the road before they close. So I'll see you in the next clip. These are the corridors here, guys. That's where my room is down there. Over there you've got the shops over there. So you got the shops over there, guys. I'll just zoom in there. That's what shops are there. There's a little pan around there. Quick way of saving money when you come to these places. They can be quite expensive in London. You know, like about Premier Inns, the blue light behind me, but that's neither over there. But also you like the, you know, the way the room's always, you know, lovely blue colour in the dark. But apart from that, what I'm going to call it a night now, guys. And I'll see you guys in the morning. I'll let you know exactly how I slept last night. Good night, guys. I literally just woke up. It's 7:10 in the morning. I'm just going to get a shower and I'll see you in next. Good morning, guys. From the Premier Inn in Canary Wharf. One thing I will say about this Premier Inn, what I like is you've got this shower that you can open and fully closes when you're having a shower, so you can go in and out. So that's quite a nice addition, that is. Nice and warm and hot too, like you would expect from a Premier Inn. And you've got like the rainfall shower effect, like I said to get earlier. Usual Bensnardin. I bought my own stuff with me. That stuff there, forest rain, whatever I can call it. You know, is what it is. They provide you with towels, as you can see on the floor. The bed, as you expect from the words of Lady Henry, a nice comfortable bed. As you say, you get you got enough coat hangers just for one night. So you got enough of those just for one night. Enough coat hangers. You've got 5 coat hangers there. So that's more than enough for one night. If you're staying for any longer, it could be a bit of a problem. Hair dryer. You've got a nice little hair dryer there you could use. Also, I'm not showing this yet, but as always, the light always lights up on the mirror. So that's quite good too. Your usual coat hangers there, and other bits and pieces that I've pointed out already. But anyway, would I recommend this hotel? Yes, I would. It's I had a brilliant night's stay. It's a good location. You've got the DLR directly next door, and about a 12-minute walk is the Victoria line and Underground line. Yeah, it's in a good location, and there's plenty of buses going into London. So for the money I paid, £41, I think I got a perfect bargain. But anyway, this is Walking in the Sun, and I'll see you in the very next one. Please like, share and subscribe.